We have the trig integral, cosine squared 3x dx. And of course, this is a squared trig integral. And so because of that, we're going to have to perform a step down using a double angle identity. And so what that looks like for a cosine squared is we can rewrite this as the integral of 1 plus cosine, and then we're going to double the angle, and we'll make this 6x over 2 dx, which of course can be rewritten to simplify as 1/2 times the integral 1 plus cosine 6x dx. And now we can just integrate. And so to do that, we'll leave the 1/2 out front, and we'll multiply it by the integration. And when we integrate 1 with respect to x, we are given x. When we integrate cosine 6x with respect to x, we get plus sine 6x over 6. And then we can close the brackets. And because this is an indefinite integral with no limits, we can add a constant at the end. And finally now, since it was an indefinite integral, there's nothing really further to do other than to distribute this 1/2 across. So our final answer is x over 2 plus sine 6x over 12 plus a constant. This is our final answer to the integral. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.